A commercial jet is en route in upper airspace. On the way to point D, the aircraft needs to circumnavigate an active military airspace. So the controller clears the pilots with CPDLC to go from present position to point D via point B and point C. The pilots acknowledge the message, but instead of turning to point B, the aircraft proceeds to point D and ends up entering the military airspace. As soon as the controller notices, he contacts his military counterparts to apologize. When he repeats the clearance to the pilots over the radio, they realize their mistake and turn back en route to point B. So what went wrong? Let's look at the CPDLC message the pilots received. The pilots are instructed to proceed to point D via point B and point C. Depending on the aircraft, this message might look different. And in some cases, part of the message might be displayed on a second page under ATC clearance. A message like this is not the same as a direct route clearance, even though they may look alike. So how do we avoid confusion? Controllers. Monitor closely after issuing a cleared to via message. Misunderstandings can lead to airspace infringements and loss of separation. Be wary when using the CPDLC message, cleared to via, if incorrect execution could result in an immediate incident. Pilots, always read the full message before acting on it. With Embraer aircraft, for example, a part of the message could be displayed on the second page under ATC clearance. If the uplink message starts with cleared to, always look for at least one more waypoint. There can never be only one. Both pilots should review individually and discuss the CPDLC message before executing any clearance. And if in doubt, always revert to voice and clarify the intent of the instruction with the controller. Use the load function if available, so the points are automatically uploaded into the FMS. Some avionics might display the load button under a different name, such as apply. Be aware, once you upload the message into the flight management system, all previous route points will be deleted. So you might create extra workload if these points need to be included again. With some aircraft types, you can copy the active flight plan to a secondary flight plan before making changes to the active one. Learn more about CPDLC on SKYbrary.